Alright, moving along to the right, we have the scroll function here. Now this one does make use of the jog wheel as well as the previous or next left and right arrow buttons. So if I turn the scroll wheel to the right, you'll see the playhead in MixCraft move to the right and back to the left, and it moves to the left accordingly. If I click the left or right, let's say the previous button or left button in this case, and it will just move one space at a time. And this is, if I just go back to zoom for a minute and zoom out, and whoops, back to scroll, you'll see that it will move that space relative to whatever zoom level you're currently viewing at. So it's not going to all of a sudden move in huge jumps across the screen just because I've zoomed in. It will adjust the amount that it scrolls, so it'll be quite finite when I'm zoomed in like this, and then scrolls a lot quicker once you zoom out further, of course. And you can switch between the more finite scrolling that you have here and the left or right fast forward rewind buttons to move in bigger jumps as well, and sometimes that can be helpful.